No. I went down under the lift right there. Holy shit, that's steep. Oh, I just crushed my leg. Tackle going on the lift. Crack my back. Yo. We're on the chairlift. Dark side. Where are we? No, we're on Straightbrook. Straightbrook. Okay, well, it's Chatiemac, Hawkeye, Cloud. What do you want me to say?
Tell him to take the gun.
Is that Nate?
Daniel. It's Piper.
No, you just come in and say no, hang up.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Tell him to take Adirondack Express up to High Peaks down to us.
Or he could take the gondola too.
Whatever, just one of those ones. One of those ones.
Nate,
What?
have you headed up yet?
No, we're just grabbing our tickets quick.
Okay, take the gondola up,
Okay.
and then you're gonna take
Left.
Pine Knot down, and you'll get to the chair that we're at. Okay?
Okay, I'll call you when we're at the top of the gondola.
Perfect.
Alright.
You better wait for us.
We're
No.
gonna be here. We're not going anywhere.
Do you use your GoPro? Yeah, I was just filming there.
Oh.
Bro. You use it a lot. I actually almost ran out of storage. I had to delete everything off my GoPro, so that was sad. But I saved it on the app. So. I have a ton of extra batteries too, so I can film when I want. Piper has a photo of me with her she took on her GoPro, and it's me flipping off the camera with goggles on underwater.
and she showed like everybody, and I was like 10, and I was so scared I was gonna get in so much trouble.
Same thing happened to me. I was in a hockey locker room with my friends one time, and I don't know what was happening, but we were all going crazy, and I got pissed off at someone who flipped them off, and my friend was taking the video, and he was like, "I'm gonna show your mom." And I was like, "Oh shit." But nothing happened because my mom didn't care.
Like she would threaten to be like, I'm gonna show mom the photo.
Yeah.
You? Isn't it my thing?
Your profile picture, do you underwater?
Yeah. Can you send it to me?
I can find it.
Eamon took a photo of me last night. I'm soaking wet because my sweatshirt's like covered in water, and I'm holding a cup and Nate's shoes and my sweatpants, and my hair's a mess, and it's horrible.
What? Why do you remember all, like, what you were holding?
I don't know. Wait, I think I was holding it. I was holding cups. I know that. Let me find it. See?
Oh yeah, Nate sent me that picture. I unadded him. That was when he added me and just sent me those random pictures. That was one of them, I think. And then he just sent me like weird pictures of your forehead.
Yeah.
5 head. I'm serious. It looked like you had a 5 head.
I know. I do have a 5 head.
And then after he sent those, I just unadded him because he was a strange child. Okay, this should also be at high speed. Oh, that's cool.
There's a bee. There's a bird box.
It's kind of cool they just left it like that. Bro, how many times is this chair gonna slow down? It's 3. Oh, you can see the top of the gondola.
Huh?
You see the top of the gondola. And some other chair over there. Oh, there's another one?
Huh?
There's another one. Oh, okay. Hey, don't dull my edges.
Oh my god.
4 times.